I don't know where I'm going, but I'm a-going! Oh, look, there we go. I'm a little doorway. Oh! No! Arrgh. Yeah! Combo Panda! Here we go, Combo Crew! It's showtime! And I'm on Roblox trying to escape the bowling alley today. Oh, wait, wait, there's a secret coin in there. Come on, Crane Game. Give me the coin. I want the coin. Give Combo the coin. Yes, come on. Come on. Oh, okay, it's glitching, but it gave it to us. Yay! Now what do? Ooh, be a bowling. I am the bowling ball. Ah, no! Oh, jeez, what's going on? Okay, there we go. This is the pins factory. Why do we need lava in the pins factory? It just seems like, we'd be causing unnecessary employee injuries.
Panda, what's this I hear about you trying to remove our lava pits?
I just don't want to see anyone getting hurt while we're making bowling pins.
That's it, Panda.
You fired.
Bowling is supposed to be a fun sport. And it is a sport, okay? My Uncle Barry is the best bowling athlete, okay?
That's right, Combo. I'm the greatest.
Hopping over the really hot lava. This one's like dark red. That's how you know it's extra hot. Oh. Saw that one. Okay. We just gotta hop over all the log. What? The log got me! That doesn't make any sense. I thought the saw was the part that hurt you, not the log. Apparently you got a splinter and you're just like, owie, I'm done. Gotta get home! Ow! Ah! Ah! Ugh. Oh, okay, how'd I not hit the acid that time? Oh, there we go. Wow, it shrunk me! Wow, that's cool. Got a little tiny guy and then I died. Not a bad game, Splooshy, not a bad game. Oh, come on! It couldn't be as laggy, though. Why is there so much lag? Keep jumping on Whoop! Okay, that one almost got me. That one got like a little bit on my back pants. It's the bowling ball room. I always knew those bowling balls went through some crazy weird room. Looks like I found it. And go! Go before the next bowling ball comes! Ah! Ooh, barely made it. No! What? This panda's on fire! What? What? I'm not dead! Yay! Combo Bunga! Look at my health bar, it's coming back! For some reason, apparently this is okay. Ooh, that bowling ball almost got me that time. Oh, Combo Bunga! We're on fire, Splooshy's here! Ah! No, I'm okay. Come on, let me up! How do I get out of here? Okay, Splooshy, I appreciate your fire not killing me, but at least you can, reset me or something!
Dude, you're literally on fire, and I'm still letting you play.
Yeah, but I can't really do anything!
Look, you clearly don't appreciate what I'm doing here for you. So you know what? Splooshy out.
Aw, come on! Hello! Alright, fine, I gotta reset my character. I don't want to reset my character, but goodbye. Okay, now we're not on fire anymore. I wanted to be the Panda Torch. As if the Human Torch was a panda.
Gosh, where's Panda Torch? We need him right now.
Sorry, guys. Had to stop by Taco Bell on the way here. And they forgot my hot sauce. I'll be right back.
Oh, come on.
Oh, there's the next one. Oh, it's a long way down. Bam! Combo Bunga. This is the abandoned bowling alley. Watch out for the giant wall. So this is like the don't get crushed by the speeding wall game. And go! I don't know where I'm going, but I'm a-going! Oh, look, there we go. A little doorway. Oh, no! I didn't think it was gonna be that thick. Thick like a milkshake. Come on, go, go, go! Yay! This time I made it. Splooshy, you thought your escapes... Oh, no! Woo! That was close! Combo bunga! Later, Wall! You're done! I beat you!
Oh, jeez. You don't have to rub it in, man. I'm like trying my hardest out here.
Sorry! My bad! Now what do we got? We made it a giant storage room. Make your way to the crane machine! Oh, giant crane machine! Heck yes, please! Woo! How did she even get taken out? Man. Alright, let's get going. Climbing up these bowling pins. Oh, we go into the quarter machine. Hey, I'm a quarter now. Get a little combo coin, get my face on this. Let's see, what's a good coin? Yeah. Oh, I should have the 99-cent coin. My 99-cent coin, though, could pay for anything that's worth 99 cents exactly. What? No! No, I keep getting little blue frozen guy. Oh, no. Oop. Whoa! How did I not hit it? Okay. Oh, yay! We made it! Speed boost! Ow! The speed boost! I need more like a hot boost! What the heck? What the heck? What is going on? This game's so glitchy. Rolling around under speed of sound! Boop, 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 boop. Oh, so we can stop moving quick. Oh, I thought we had to, like, keep moving. This is a little easier. We can take our time, and we go, we'll hop now. And we hop now. Okay, and now, and now. All right, now we're kings. We're the kings, baby! Combo bunga! Oh, there we go. Oh, now I'm the prize. Who wins me? Ow! No one won me. Oh, I was trying to go back the way I came. And now out the hole. And now onto the bowling pin. Uh-oh, this path looks kind of rusty. Hope I'm not rusty.
Dude, I'm rusty. Ain't nothing wrong with being rusty.
Alright, yeah, it was a little easy. Like a lot of easy, if I'm being honest. I wonder if this is gonna be the end up here. We're climbing. Oh, it's not the end just yet. I guess we do have to make it out of the bowling alley. Oh, what? Oh, he's trying to get a shortcut. Combo crew, watch this. Look at this. If you didn't want someone doing this, then why'd you put it here? Yeah! Good one, Combo crew. Oh, now where are we? The attic? Okay, so we don't want to fall. Oh, a button. Let's push it. I love pushing buttons. Yeah, I wonder what this button does.
Dang it, who did that? It was you, Peck, wasn't it?
Oh, gosh.
Come here, boy.
Oh, we turned off the fireplace. Now we can go out the chimney. We're like an anti-Santa. Hey, Combo Bunga! We got the winner's badge. Oh, and we got a speed pad and a jump pad. Woo! Superman time! Let's go cause some chaos, Combo crew. Whee! Anything else for me to get? No? No? Okay, well, what's in here? Let's try to land in the pipe. And... nope. Okay, it's really hard to land in. Whatever. Yeah, I'm dead landing here. Alright, well... No! 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 Oh, the speed pad and the jump pad couldn't help me. Oh well. Thanks for watching this episode of Combo Panda Combo Crew. If you had fun, be sure to smash that like button or hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. Don't forget to leave a comment telling me other Roblox games that I should play. And for now, this has been virtual YouTuber Combo Panda signing off. Bye! Alright, that's gonna be it for now. I'll catch you later, Combo Crew. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more.